Hello again, Andy with HandyANdy Handyman, and welcome back to a project recap. This one you're actually seeing on a nice sunny day in Woodstock. We're in this neighborhood at least 1 or 2 times a week doing the same kind of stuff. So Mark here had us come out and do a whole bunch of repairs, and he'll probably be writing a review. That's the hardest thing to get from our customers. If they don't like us, they get on the computer and they write everything all over the place they can, and then some of them actually threaten me. We had one guy say that if I didn't do a bunch of work for free, he was going to put reviews everywhere, and oh well, God bless him. But so what happens here is, like with this customer, you can see this was a very difficult soffit repair. You'll see the new wood up there along that roof line, and then sometimes you'll see, like, so we did this one in stages. So my client wanted to do these repairs later on, and so we actually went ahead and did them by mistake. So if you look at the angle cut, you'll see this right here, right there, and then on this side right here. And they did the same thing. You can see it on this window. These windows were so rotted out. He had a few of the windows on this house where the contractor came out and told him, you know what, you need to buy new windows. We can't get into the backyard, which is where we did a bulk of the repairs for Mark. But he's going to be a customer for life, just like you probably will be. You can find us at 770-912-2829. We're doing a lot of these repairs the same way that my granddad and his dad did. I'm 4th generation. My brother and I, you can actually see we came through. This is gutter helmet. See this piece right here? And what they don't tell you in the stores when you buy this stuff, or a lot of roofing companies will put it in there for free, but nothing's for free, it's in the price. But they don't tell you that this little edge right here has to be cleaned once a year. If it doesn't, the algae builds up and the water will just come off. And unfortunately, I can't get in Mark's backyard right now for this video, but what ends up happening is the water sheds off this gutter like here, and it drops down on these windows right here, and it rots them all out. So he's got rot all over the house. So we're doing this project in 2 stages. One section has been done. This is what your gutter helmet should look like. So if you've got this stuff, go outside and look. And then he's got a few issues. I'll show you right quick on this while we're thinking about it. The problem with gutter helmet is you can't install kick-out flashing. And kick-out flashing is what bridges the gap between your gutters and your siding. So we'll get out of the sun here for a second. And if you look in this corner right here, see the gap behind the gutter and all the algae, the mold coming down the side right here? That's because every time it rains, there's a little bit of water gets between that gap of the gutter helmet and the gutter. And you can see the fascia board underneath is rotted out. So we need to fix that for him as well, too. And so what we have to do on gutters like that is we just need to seal that edge all the way around with a clear elastomeric sealant. And you're going to have to do that about every 5 years. The boys had to pop these gutter helmets and seal right here because every one of his corners was leaking. See the screws in the bottom of the gutter? And a lot of the stuff you'll get bored watching our videos because it's the same stuff over and over again. There's nothing wrong with the screws there, but you just have to seal that corner every 5 years. And so that's what we've done for him. And eventually on this project, we'll probably come back and paint all the trim for him. We'll write him up a quote for that for the next time. But we pretty much do everything. My brother and I, if you can be patient, there's 30 of us running all over Atlanta doing this stuff. You can reach us there at 770-912-2829, or you can catch us at 770-265-9017. I'm Andy. See you in the next house. Bye for now.